Red has a new ally. Cosmic Gateway. Activate! Easily.
No more portals!
I just got him back.
We'll be right back with Discovery Family. Better together.
Monsters have overrun
At this point, the heroes are starving and resort to eating each other. Or we can eat popcorn! Is that food? It is a critical element of the cinema that Xavier has always wanted to try.
Pinned down one time too many by... The Autobots build their own triple changers.
Autobot triple changers battling the triple changers of the Decepticons.
Triple changer Sandstorm transforms from Dune Buggy to Copter to Robot
And the Cosmic Fury Zords can combine to form the Cosmic Fury Megazord to fight Allura, who can harness the icy powers of the Nova Charm.
Transformers!
Watch the Optimus Megablock Saturdays. It's now 93 with 18 of the biggest hits around.
Is that too obvious? Okay, I like your confidence.
Now 93 with the massive hits from Jordan Adetunji and Tate McRae.
Okay.
Sabrina Carpenter, Glorilla, Bossman Blow, Chris Stapleton, and Charlie XCX.
I'm gonna drive.
Imagine Dragons, Akon, and Kesha. Get Now 93 and Now Classics Volume 4 on Etsy.
At Qdoba, top any entree with our handcrafted guac free. That's extra flavor at no extra cost. All day, every day. So go on and guac out because it's free. Only at Qdoba.
And Doug.
You'll be back! Emus can't help people customize and save hundreds on car insurance with Liberty Mutual. You're just a flightless bird!
No, he's a dreamer, Frank.
And Doug.
Well, I'll be. That bird really did it.
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
3, 2, 1, stop!
He's got a need for speed.
I've never driven so fast in my life.
Driving a car like no other.
You can't lose with this amazing car. It can do everything.
Together, they're unstoppable.
Speed Racer is a winner.
So, shift into high gear for all the chills, spills, and thrills with Speed Racer. Tonight at 1 a.m., midnight central on MeTV Toons.
We're back with Discovery Family. Better together.
Ha! Hilarious! You did all right, Drip. Still, you're fired. What? Take him away!
Wait, no, I was employee of the month.
Mechanic.
It's an honor to finally meet you, Master Red, sir. But the odds are totally stacked against us.
You are not wrong.
I love the feel of Ninja Steel, and the suit still fits.